Does your garage door drive chain droop like that and you want to tighten it back up? Today I'm going to show you how. All you need is a ladder, one of these guys, little tiny crescent, and where we're working at is right here. It's this little bolt nut system that obviously connects the chain to the bolt. You just back this nut off, you tighten this one, tighten this back. When this is tightened and taut, pretty simple. I'll show you how to do it right now. And you know the deal. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Except I can't seem to. This one's too fat. And if your little crescent is too fat, you can always use like a little needle nose pliers too. Sometimes this little space is just. All right, you know what they say, third tool's a charm. You really can't find something to fit in there in this little space. Just keep looking for the right tool that you can. This has a little better clearance, see that? So, whatever gets it done for you. I finally found a tool I can use. So just tighten this. You see, we're moving down, we're tightening the threading. Threading's coming this way. And that's getting more taut. See? A lot less droopy. So, let's keep going. Sorry. Gotta reset the camera because I moved it like a dummy. All right. But I had to show you, so I guess not that dumb. And again, like with anything, you don't ever want to over tighten anything. Just get it taut. So it's, but not too taut. And I think that's probably good. Maybe a little more, I don't know. And then we're gonna tighten this back down. Super easy. Not too tight. Oops, sorry. So anyway, back that off, tighten that back. When you get it where you want it, it's not too tight, not droopy, but anyway, you know, so let's test it. And so if that happens and the door only goes up halfway and stops after you've adjusted the chain, then it's probably these, you might have these little adjusters, just probably needs to be adjusted. So get your little tool or something. Get a little flathead and just, you know, adjust it up a little bit. See if that does anything. All right, let's try it again. When you're trying to adjust it, these are the travel down, travel up. One turn like that is 2 inches. Setting it back because it's already adjusted it. So one turn, 2 inches. 2 inches traveling up or 2 inches traveling down. And the other thing is force. Open force and close force. If it goes all the way up and like stops halfway, just adjust the open force up a little more to a higher number. It really only goes up to 10. Same thing with closing. If it goes all the way to the bottom and it doesn't quite close, it might need close force adjustment. If you adjust one of these, it might affect these. If you adjust these, it might affect these. So you just have to check everything. And then the other thing is, in my case, this little sensor here, if it can't see, now it can see it, now it can't, and the light goes off. I added these little blue wire nuts. Mine didn't have them. This actually came loose, or actually it didn't even have wire nuts, and the wire was ripped and it wasn't transmitting power. So, and then I bent it a little bit this way and tried to re-level it just so it can see. So that could be an issue as well. But let's check. Going up. Going down. And that's it. Got it. One last thing is where you want it to kind of stop. is about 4 inches from this bolt. So it's just about there-ish. Oh, okay, well, whatever, it's good. But you don't want it to, if it slams into it, you've adjusted your travel limit too much, and just turn it 2 inches back, one turn, 2 inches back, or 2 inches up, depending on, but about that distance. And then the last thing, probably the most important that you want to check. Just take a board and drop it where like a child would be. If you have the down travel and the close force adjusted properly, when there's nothing there, it should go all the way down and just stay down the door. If there is something there, like that little board or like a child or something like that, it should hit the object and come back up. Let's see. Okay, so that's good. It should come back up like that, because you don't want, God forbid, something live gets stuck in there and gets hurt or killed. So that's it, and thanks for watching.